This is Michigan Avenue. And there is nobody on it. February 2nd. Sorry, this film is going to be crap because I'm holding it above my steering wheel. February 2nd, 2011. Little Groundhog Day action. Who, by the way, said that it's going to be a short winter. It certainly doesn't feel like it now. Turn up my radio. This is Michigan. Look at the people. There are no buses. There are about 5 cars. I'm about the 7th front-wheel drive car out here. I just dropped off Peter. Look at that. If Michigan Avenue looks like this, imagine what every other street looks like. Lakeshore closed down, cars abandoned because they couldn't move. 80-mile-per-hour winds last night on Lakeshore. This is Wacker, by the way. We're at the Wacker intersection. That's Lakeshore there. Lakeshore's that way, but you can't see anything.
You kept it going till the sun fell down. You kept it going.
You can't see it, but the snow is blowing exactly sideways right now. Maybe you can. No, probably not. About 8 people walking around total. And then the beauty is tomorrow it's going to be about 4 degrees Fahrenheit, so it'll freeze. Look at this camera crew outside of NBC office. Snowplow for the sidewalk. More camera crew. Oh, she's interviewing a homeless man. Hello, Michigan. I'm not going to go all the way up. I'm going to turn on my street so I can actually get home. Nobody's here. Here comes Ohio.
Rewind 100.3. Good morning. It's Brian Beck on Groundhog's Day 8:20 and a snowy one at that. And you know what, Susan? It's a forced family day, as we were talking about. So, get out there, get some good snow pictures.
All right,
for
that's
us.
it.
We want to see what it looks like where you are, and you can email
Bye-bye.
us those photos.